That's where we're going, y'all, the Buc-ees. Well, first, I'm gonna just pull a piece of this meat off. Let's set this down here. I'm gonna just pull a piece of that meat, man. Look at that. Yo, we pulling up here on Buc-ees, man. Buc-ees is big, evidently, here in Texas, man. There's Buc-ees. Look how long it is, man. How many tanks they got in this joker? Yo, Buc-ees ain't no joke. It seems like the whole town is here. We're outside. I'm like maybe about 20 miles west of Houston, Texas, man. And we about to walk up here in Buc-ees, man. This will be the second Buc-ees that I actually been in. I wonder how much is there wood. I need wood for when I go camping. Look at that bird on the wood. Look at the bird just chilling. That bird wants that corn right there. There he is. Is that the Christmas Buc-ees? Here it is, y'all. It's huge, right? It's huge. Up in Buc-ees. They got the, they just had to welcome the Buc-ees crew. I don't know what I'm gonna get, man. Look, it goes way over here. And then way over here. I'm gonna take my time. Look, is this the Christmas tree? Get back. This is happening already? Look at this, man. Y'all know I got that brisket sandwich the last time. I don't think I'm gonna get the same thing. I got that chopped brisket. I'm so tempted to get it again, though. They got the 3 meat, sausage, brisket, and turkey. That sounds delicious. Let's go see what else is over here. Got the bakery here. World famous jerky. They got the jerky spot right here. Check it out, man. I wonder if I can get some venison over here. Hot and spicy ghost pepper. Oh. Yo. They are not kidding about their jerky. Yo, I'm getting some jerky. Yo, you can't even really get the good look at that through the glass. Jalapeno honey, $30 a pound. Got the hot and spicy. Oh, this is a repeat of over there. All right, y'all, we are actually in the men's room right now. But I gotta get this artwork that's up on the wall. Check it out. Leaving the men's room. Is that crazy or what, yo? This is entering the men's room. And then big up, United States Navy in the house. That's right, there is no other branch. It's just the Navy. We're not even gonna highlight the Air Force. The Marines is a division of the Navy, so we'll get them some props. I'm gonna have to get this again because it just is so good. But let's walk around some more. They got a lot of Christmas items over here. And souvenirs. And the Buc-ees bag. All right, it's like just a lot of more jerky in the bag. How much is that? 4 ounces for $9. Let's go see what's back here, man. I smell scents of the season. Get them while they last. Scents of the season. They got goat milk lotion. What's the goat milk lotion? Goat milk lotion. That's interesting.
Oh, you didn't? I think I did.
All right, there's also a car sitting in the middle of the floor. Check it out. That's the Buc-ee mobile. Remember them gas tanks with the locks on them? Look, there's an 8-track tape. 8-track tape player right there. Y'all don't know nothing about the 8-track tape. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try the beef jerky, right? This is the jalapeno honey. Let's check it out. Oh, look, it's got some jerk to it, that's for sure. It's not that spicy. The young lady said it wasn't that spicy. It's not that spicy. I know one thing. That was a nice sample. I can just see a sample on all of them. And I'll be full. All right, man, look, I'm going for what I know, right? I'm going to get a chopped brisket again. They got the doubles right here. But I don't want the XL. I just want to get that single size. There it is, y'all, that Buc-ee's. I had it before. I already know it's good, but we're going to go for it again. I should go over there and get some, what is that right there? What are you making now?
Sliced brisket?
Sliced brisket?
Yes, sir, and it's going to be those right there.
That's them. He's making the sliced brisket, y'all. Being that I had the chopped brisket before, I'm going to go for the sliced brisket. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Let's go for the, he's weighing it, man. We're going for the sliced brisket. I changed my mind. We're going for the sliced brisket. That's it right there. We're going to get this one. Okay, guys. I had the chopped brisket before. This time I'm going to try the sliced brisket. Look at this, man. There go Buc-ee's right there. There's the sign right there. Buc-ee's. Look at the gas stations, y'all. You got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Look, that's pump 32 right here. I didn't even go all the way down to the end. Just know, I didn't even count all the pumps. We're already at 32 right here. Pump 32. That's crazy. So if you ever in the Texas area, man, you guys come down and check out Buc-ee's. Look at these birds be landing on people's cars. See that? The birds better not give me no problems, man. Y'all know how they be. That's Route 10. That's what I'm traveling. I'm going west, which is that way. That is not true. I'm going east, which is that way. Check this out, man. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that chopped brisket in there, man. OMG. OMG. Look at that brisket. First, I'm going to just pull a piece of this meat off. Let's set this down here. I'm going to just pull a piece of that meat, man. Look at that. Oh, damn. Birds coming all around. I'm about to shoot them. Dang. Dang, I'm going to eat some of that bark. Look at this dark bark. See that bark right there? Let's eat some of this bark. So tender. And that sauce they got on. I think I said this last time. It would be nice if it was a little hotter. The sandwich was 9 and some change. There are several slices, man. I'm going to just bite into it. I started saying I'm going to pull some of that meat off. Let's see how much is on here, though. See that? That one's a little fatty piece. You got another one underneath there. You got that piece right there. Let's see what we're going for. Oh, man. You know what? I'm going to bite into it. I'm going to bite into it. Y'all better shut your mouth. Dang. That Buc-ee's sliced brisket is awesome. The bread is nice and soft and fresh. That sauce is like a sweet barbecue sauce. I think I remember now. I should have asked for a little more hotter sauce. I just like just pulling it off the sandwich, man, and eating it like that. There's bees flying, there's birds flying. They don't follow me all the way from Jersey. I could just sit here, man, and eat the meat, you know? That meat is so tender and delicious. Really, it's really delicious, man. The spices in here is delicious. And that fatty piece, oh darn. That fat on that brisket is delicious. That bark is perfect. Woo! Here at Buc-ees. Buc-ees are all over. We're not putting the address up. This sandwich was $9 and some change, but this is beef brisket. They gave me some sample beef jerky. I'm gonna sample some more when I go to the next one. That was a nice side sample. I know, don't be talking about I'm bad. Anybody on here that's been to Buc-ees that don't like their brisket, let me know. I doubt if it's anyone, but you always got one. You always got that. Hold on, let me give him the pinky. One. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats, man. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys at the next one. All right, fam. Here at the Hilton Garden Inn in Houston. And this room was $119 a night. And I'm staying here, man, a day or two. I am staying here to get some editing done. This is the room here. That's the main reason, to get some editing in. You know, some quality editing time. Because I've been having the ball sleep in my car. Don't get it twisted. But this is day 18, you know? So that's the bathroom. $119 a night. It's not bad, right? Queen size bed. It's pretty warm out today. It's in like 86 degrees here in Houston. What's cool about this spot, even though I won't be cooking here, I don't think I will, is that they have a stove, man, refrigerator. You ever go to a hotel and look in the refrigerator and there's food left over from the last guest? That has happened to me twice. Nothing in there. Closet space. Oh, I got an iron. What? I get to iron my clothes first time this year? Watch your mouth. All right, this is what it is, man. Here in Houston, I'm looking forward to getting some barbecue. And I'm going to meet up with an old friend here. And he's going to show me around Houston a bit. So, see you guys when we get there.